friends, welcome to my Angel Chemistry YouTube channel. I am John Wensley. Today I am going to discuss P block unit 2 in plus 2 chemistry. What are P block elements? The last electron entering in NP orbital. General electronic configuration NS2, NP126 belongs to 6 groups because 3p orbital has 6 electron, numbering from 13th to 18th group in the periodic table. That is 13th group is known as boron family. That is otherwise known as icosagen, meaning 20-faced regular polyhedron. Boron family contain boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium and nihonium. Boron family. Boron is a metalloid. Boron is a metalloid in this family. Boron, that is electronic configuration helium. Boron electronic configuration helium. Boron helium 2s2 2p1. Aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, nihonium, NH. So here atomic number is 5. To this add 8, then 13, then add 18, that is 31, then add 18, 49, then add 32, 81, then add 32, 113. Boron, the nearest inert gas is helium, 2s2 2p1. Then aluminum, neon 3s2 3p1. Neon contain 10 electron. So 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13. Then gallium, the nearest inert gas is argon, 4s2. Then after filling 4s2 and before filling 3p1 3d orbital, because here it is fourth period onwards d orbital start, that is n minus 1d orbital, that is 3d, not 4d, 3d, n minus 1d orbital. So s orbital ns, p orbital nb, d orbital n minus 1d. That starts from fourth period in the periodic table. So here it is completely filled. Then krypton 5s2. So after filling 5s2 and before filling 5p1, here 4p1, 5p1 3d orbital. So here the d orbital is 4d 10. So altogether 49. Then xenon 6s2 then 6p1, then 5d10. Before filling 5d10, 4f orbital. Here 4f orbital is started from the 6th period, n minus 2, 4f14. Here xenon radon, like that, 7s2 7p1, So before that 5f 14 and 6d 10 is filled. The outermost cell, it contains 3 electrons. So the highest oxidation state for boron family is +3 and the other oxidation state is +1. Then 14th group, carbon family. Carbon family, that is tetrogens. Sorry, not tetrogen, tetragens. That is 4 valence electron. It is also known as crystallogens. Gens mean forming. That is, they form crystal structure. In this carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. So once again, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. There is one more electron in p orbital than boron family. So one more electron than p orbital in boron family. So it is ns2 nb2. So carbon, this helium 2s2 2p2. So like that all in this family. Then 15th. So 15th nitrogen family. That is otherwise known as pindigogen, meaning suffocating. So nitrogen family, it contains nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, Sp, antimony, Bi, bismuth, then moscovium, Mc, moscovium. General electronic configuration ns2 nb3. There is one more electron than carbon family. It is p3. Here it is all the p block elements contain s orbital 2 electron and p orbital here 1, here p orbital 2, here p orbital 3. Then 16th family, oxygen family. This family is otherwise known as chalcogen, meaning salt forming. Here it contains oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium and Lv, polonium and livermorium. That is the last, that is 7th period. Last row is radioactive nature. Then here it is one more p electron than nitrogen family. So the general electronic configuration of nitrogen family is ns2 nb3. Here it is ns2 nb4. Then 17th group, fluorine family, that is halogens, meaning salt forming elements. That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and Ts. Tennessine, it is radioactive nature. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine. Fluorine atomic number 9. To this add 8. So 17. To this add 18. That is 35. To this add 18. 53. To this add 32. 85. To this add 32. That is 117. Then last, inert gas or noble gas or rare gas. Inert gas or noble gas or rare gas, the electronic configuration is ns2 nb6. All the elements obeys ns2 nb6 configuration except helium, because helium they contain only 2 electrons, that is ns2 2s2. Then the remaining elements obeys this rule, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and Og, agneson. So this in the inert gas, it is non-reactiveness nature. Why it is non-reactiveness mean? The cell is completely filled. S orbital it contain maximum 2 electron, p orbital it contain maximum 6 electron. So So the NS2 NB6. So it is non-reactive in nature, hence it is known as inert gas, and natural abundance is very low, hence it is known as rare gas. In boron family, boron is metalloid. All others are metals. That is aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium is metal. Nihonium, it is radioactive in nature. Then carbon family. Carbon is a metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Silicon, germanium, metalloid. Then tin, lead, metal. Fluorobium is a radioactive nature. Then nitrogen family. Nitrogen, phosphorus, non-metal. Arsenic, antimony, metalloid. Bismuth, metal. Then moscovium, that is radioactive in nature. Then oxygen family. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, this is non-metal. Then tellurium, tellurium is a metalloid. Polonium, it is a metal. Then livermorium, it is radioactive in nature. Then halogen family and inert gas, that is the 17th family and 18th family, all the elements are non-metals. That is important, except the last one. Last one is radioactive in nature. In general, left hand side of P block is metal. Left hand side of P block is metal. Right hand side is non-metal. Here it is non-metal. And diagonally, here diagonal, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium is metalloid. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.